Tonight on my channel, vegan green poblano pasta. Follow me. You're going to start by getting your plancha hot and roasting 3 poblano chilies. You want to get them blackened on all sides. When they're blackened on the first side, you're going to flip them over. When they've blackened on all sides, you're going to remove them from the plancha and place them in a plastic bag for 5 minutes. This will allow them to soften and the skin will come off easier. While those are softening, I'm going to roast 3 cloves of garlic on the plancha. I'm also going to roast half a red onion on the plancha until it's blackened. I'm going to remove my pepper from the bag. It's nice and soft, blackened on both sides. And now I'm just going to peel off the skin. It comes off very easily. Once I've removed all the skin from the peppers, I'm going to remove the stems, the seeds, and the veins. Now our poblanos are clean and they're ready to be blended with the rest of the ingredients. I removed the skin from the garlic and our blackened onion is also ready. Now it's time to blend everything. We're going to start with our poblanos. Then we're going to add in our garlic cloves and our red onion. And we're going to finish with a can of full-fat coconut milk. I'm going to cover the blender and I'm going to blend it till it's very smooth, about 1 to 1.5 minutes on high. When it's done, it'll have this very nice bright green color. And now we're going to transfer it to a pan to cook. To a hot saucepan, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. I'm going to swirl it around a little bit to distribute, and then I'm going to add my sauce. I'm going to season the sauce with 1.5 tablespoons of kosher salt. And I'm going to boil this on medium to low heat for about 10 minutes. You want to make sure to stir the sauce frequently because of the coconut milk. It will burn on the bottom if you don't. When your pasta water is boiling, add your spaghetti. I'm using gluten-free because that's all I can eat. Drain your pasta when it's al dente. Now that our pasta's done, we're going to add our herbs to our sauce. So I'm going to start with 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano. And then I'm going to add in about 1/4 cup of fresh chopped cilantro. After I've stirred in my herbs, then I'm going to add the pasta into the sauce. Always add the pasta into the sauce. Don't add the sauce to the pasta. And stir it up. After it's all mixed in, you're going to cook it for 2 more minutes. Now it's time to plate. I'm going to make a little nest with the pasta by scooping some up and then twisting it as I put it into the bowl. It just looks fancier. I'm going to add some of that lovely sauce on top of it. And because this is a vegan day for me, I'm going to add some vegan Parmesan to the top. And there's our finished dish, vegan green pasta. This is a very versatile dish. You can add chicken or shrimp to it if you're eating meat. You can replace the vegan ingredients with regular dairy. As I showed in the video, you can pretty much add anything to this base sauce and it'll be fantastic. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more Latin recipes, more vegan recipes, and then watching me go out in the world and eat all of the food I possibly can. Until next time, buen provecho!